The Gemera, a new type of megacar. It's all about enjoying the experience together. I thought it was possible to create a mid-engine two-seater car feel, but to have 4 full seats for 4 full grown-ups with no compromise. It should be a mid-engine two-seater feel. It took years to figure it out, and we had to be super innovative with drivetrain, layout, design to make it happen, to avoid compromise. And since you last saw it, we've taken it to the next level. And today we're going to present the production version.